What if that clean couch or car seat you're sitting on isn't actually clean? Deep inside the fabric, there can be dirt, stains, pet mess, and grime that a normal vacuum simply can't remove. And that's where the UWANT 18 kPa portable carpet cleaner comes in. It's compact, it costs around $70, and it claims to deliver powerful stain removal for carpets, couches, car interiors, mattresses, and more. But is this little machine actually worth buying? Let's take a closer look. Design and first impression. The UWANT Carpet Cleaner is designed to be compact and easy to store, measuring about 13 inches deep, 8 inches wide, and 11 inches high, with a weight of around 8 pounds. So instead of dealing with a large carpet cleaning machine, you get something that can be stored in a closet, cabinet, or other small space. And despite its relatively compact design, UWANT gives this machine an 18 kPa suction system. According to the manufacturer, that's designed to improve cleaning efficiency compared with a 15 kPa system and help carpets dry faster. 18 kPa suction. Now, the biggest feature here is obviously the 18 kPa suction. This machine combines 3 basic cleaning actions: spray, scrub, and suction. First, cleaning solution is sprayed onto the fabric. Then, the brush helps loosen embedded dirt and stains. And finally, the machine uses suction to pull the dirty liquid back out. That makes it useful for more than just carpets. You can use it on couches, furniture, car interiors, pet beds, mattresses, and other textile surfaces. So if you're looking for one machine that can handle multiple cleaning jobs around the home and inside your car, this is where the UWANT becomes interesting. 2-in-1 water tank. Another interesting feature is the 2-in-1 water tank design. Both the clean water side and wastewater side have a capacity of around 41 ounces, or roughly 2.4 liters for the overall tank system. The idea is to make the tank easier to handle without constantly dealing with separate containers. And UWANT says the design allows you to handle the clean and wastewater system with one hand. That may sound like a small detail, but when you're cleaning multiple areas around your home, convenience can make a big difference. Cleaning tools. But the machine itself isn't the only thing you get. UWANT includes several cleaning accessories designed for different surfaces and cleaning situations. These include a high-density brush head, silicone brush, velvet brush, and self-cleaning brush head, along with specialized cleaning solution. That gives you more flexibility depending on whether you're cleaning a carpet, couch, car seat, mattress, or another fabric surface. And because the machine is relatively compact, moving from one cleaning area to another should be much easier than using a full-size carpet cleaner. Who is it for? So, who should actually consider the UWANT? If you regularly deal with stains, spills, dirty upholstery, car seats, pet beds, or fabric surfaces, this type of portable spot cleaner could make a lot of sense. But remember, this is a portable spot cleaner, not a replacement for every type of full-size carpet cleaning machine. Its biggest advantage is convenience. You can grab it quickly and target specific dirty areas instead of bringing out a large machine. Final. At around $70, the UWANT 18 kilopascal portable carpet cleaner brings together strong suction, a compact design, multiple cleaning tools, and the ability to clean more than just carpets. If you want a portable machine for couches, carpets, car interiors, mattresses, and other fabric surfaces, this is definitely worth considering. But the real question is, would you trust a $70 carpet cleaner to remove your toughest stains? Check the link in the description to see the current price and details, and let me know what you would clean first with the UWANT.